Tired of the same old Western self-help formulas? Discover the ancient Eastern wisdom of a Chinese philosopher, Wang Yangming, and learn how to truly manifest your desires from the power of the mind. Combine the best of both worlds, ancient Eastern wisdom and modern-day practicality. Learn how to apply the philosophy of the mind as principle to your life today.
500 years ago, Ming Dynasty thinker Wang Yangming posed a question that shook the academic world. Before you see this flower, it is as silent as your heart. When you look at the flower, its colors suddenly become vibrant, showing that this flower is not outside your heart.
This statement reveals the subtle relationship between the mind and objects and uncovers the power of our thoughts. Today, we will explore how Wang Yangming's philosophy integrates with modern psychology's concept of manifestation to help us become the masters of our own lives.
Wang Yangming's core philosophy. First, 心即理，心外无物。你未看此花时，此花与汝心同归于尽；你来看此花时，则此花颜色一时明艳起来，便知此花不在你的心外。
Interpretation. This means that when you haven't looked at a flower, it is as quiet as your heart. But when you look at the flower, its colors suddenly become vibrant, indicating that the flower is not outside your heart. In other words, the world we perceive is a creation of our own mind.
Essence, everything arises from the mind. The mind is the source of all things. What we perceive in the world is actually a projection of our own thoughts.
Modern interpretation. It's like a mirror. What we see in the world is a reflection of our inner world. When we change our inner perspective, the outer world also changes. For example, an optimistic person is more likely to see the beauty in the world, while a pessimistic person is more likely to see its darker side.
Application. By changing our internal beliefs and attitudes, we can attract the life we want.
Positive attitude. A person filled with hope for the future is more likely to find opportunities. A pessimistic person is more likely to be defeated by difficulties. Self-fulfilling prophecy. If you believe you are a failure, you are likely to become one.
Self-reflection. How significant do you think your thoughts are to your life? Second philosophy. 知行合一。知是行的主意，行是知之功夫，知之真正在行，行之发端在知。
Interpretation. Knowledge is the guiding idea for action, and action is the practice of knowledge. True knowledge is realized through action, and the origin of action lies in knowledge.
Essence, knowledge and action are inseparable. True knowledge must be applied in action to create value.
Modern interpretation. Knowledge can be likened to a seed, while action is the soil that allows the seed to grow. Only by putting knowledge into practice can we verify its truth and achieve growth.
Application. When learning something new, it is crucial not just to understand the theory but also to practice it. Only by combining theory and practice can one truly master a skill.
Learning a language, memorizing vocabulary and grammar alone is not enough. You must practice speaking and using the language to truly master it. Problem solving. When facing a problem, it's essential to take action and try to resolve it, rather than just thinking about it.
Self-reflection. What are some examples of how you have applied knowledge and action recently? Third philosophy. 致良知。心者身之主也，而心之虚灵明觉，即所谓本然之良知也。
Interpretation. The mind is the master of the body. It is not only the organ of thought, but also the fundamental driver of bodily actions. The essence of the mind is characterized by emptiness, spirituality, clarity, and awareness. This state of emptiness, spirituality, clarity, and awareness is what we refer to as our innate conscience.
Essence. Everyone has an innate conscience that can discern right from wrong. Through continuous reflection and practice, we can fully develop our conscience.
Modern interpretation. Conscience is like our inner navigation system, guiding us to make the right choices.
Application. When facing moral dilemmas, we can calm our minds and listen to our inner voice to make decisions that align with our conscience.
Moral judgment. When faced with moral dilemmas, we can ask ourselves, what would the result be if everyone acted this way? This helps us make more ethical choices. Self-growth. Regularly reflect on your actions, identify your shortcomings, and strive to improve. Positive affirmations. Repeatedly affirm positive statements to strengthen your beliefs.
Wang Yangming and Manifestation. The common ground. 1. The power of thought, 心外无物 and manifestation.
Wang Yangming believed that a person's thoughts could change reality. This aligns with the concept of manifestation, which emphasizes the power of intention. Interpretation, as explained earlier, 心外无物shows that our perceived world is a projection of our thoughts. When we view things with a positive and optimistic mindset, they appear more beautiful. Connection to manifestation. Manifestation emphasizes the power of intention, believing that if we are filled with desire and take action, we can realize our goals. This aligns well with Wang Yangming's concept of 心外无物.
Modern application.
Law of attraction. Positive thinking tracks positive outcomes. Self-suggestion. Through repeated self-suggestion, we can change our beliefs and subsequently alter our behavior and life.
2. The importance of action, knowledge and action unity and manifestation practice.
The philosophy of Wang Yangming emphasizes the unity of knowledge and action, and manifestation also requires action to be realized. Interpretation. Knowledge and action unity means that knowledge must be put into practice to create value. Merely having good wishes is not enough. We need to take concrete action. Connection to manifestation. Manifestation stresses the importance of action, asserting that only through action can dreams become reality.
Modern application.
Goal setting. Turn abstract wishes into specific, actionable goals, and create a plan of action. Continuous action. Keep taking action, overcoming obstacles, and eventually achieving your goals.
3. Self-realization. Attain the knowledge of goodness.
Both Wang Yangming's philosophy and the concept of manifestation emphasize inner growth and self-realization. Interpretation. Attain the knowledge of goodness focuses on refining one's conscience through ongoing reflection and practice. This is a process of self-improvement and self-transcendence. Connection to manifestation. Personal growth is the foundation for achieving goals. Only by continuously improving ourselves can we attract better things.
Modern application.
Self-growth. Continuously improve your abilities and qualities through learning, practice, and reflection. Potential development. Believe in your limitless potential, continually challenge yourself, and push your boundaries.
Wang Yangming's story, Longchang Enlightenment. When Wang Yangming was demoted to Longchang, he did not become disheartened. Instead, he delved deeply into the relationship between humanity and nature. He realized the principle of 心外无物 and reached inner peace through conversations with nature.
Wang Yangming found inner peace in adversity, demonstrating the boundless power of the mind. When we face difficulties, maintaining inner calm can help us find solutions.
Story background and process.
Demotion to Longcharm. Wang Yangming was demoted to the remote Longcharm in Guizhou due to political struggles. In this isolated place, he faced loneliness, solitude, and uncertainty about the future. Spiritual torment. Traditional academic concepts confused him, leading him to question his years of scholarship. Dialogue with nature. Through daily interactions with the mountains and forests, Wang Yangming gradually realized that all things have spirituality, and that humanity and nature are one. Spiritual awakening. During a period of quiet meditation, he suddenly comprehended the true meaning of 心外无物.
心外无物 Deep implications. 你未看此花时，此花与汝心同归于尽；你来看此花时，则此花颜色一时明艳起来，便知此花不在你的心外。
Interpretation. Mind is principle. Everything originates from the mind. The mind is the source of all things. Mind-object unity. Mind and objects are not opposed but interdependent and interactive. Subjective and objective unity. The world we perceive is a projection of our thoughts.
Enlightenment from Longchang.
Adversity as an opportunity for growth. Wang Yangming found himself in adversity, illustrating that difficulties are not to be feared, but how we face them is crucial. Power of the mind. The power of the mind is boundless, helping us overcome difficulties and find inner peace. Harmony with nature. Humanity and nature are one. We should respect and harmonize with nature. Knowledge and action unity. Wang Yangming's enlightenment was not just a theoretical breakthrough, but a model of knowledge and action unity.
Modern applications of heart philosophy. How to manifest your desires.
1. Meditation. beyond surface level calm.
Practice methods.
Focus on breathing, concentrate on your breath, feeling each inhale and exhale. Body awareness, pay attention to sensations in your body, such as your heartbeat, muscle tension, and relaxation. Thought observation, when your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the present moment. Meditation themes, you can focus on a specific issue or goal during meditation to seek answers. Advanced techniques, loving kindness meditation, cultivate a heart of compassion towards yourself and others. Mindfulness meditation, focus on present experiences and observe your thoughts and feelings non-judgmentally. 2. Self-dialogue, uncovering deep desires.
Practice methods.
Ask questions. Pose deep questions to yourself such as, what do I truly want? What am I afraid of? What are my strengths and weaknesses? Journaling, writing down your thoughts can help you gain clearer insights into yourself. Dialogue, share your thoughts and feelings with a trusted friend or family member. In-depth exploration, clarify values. Understanding your core values helps you make choices that align with your inner needs. Emotional exploration, explore the origins of your emotions and learn how to manage them. 3. Setting clear intentions and inner visualization, aligning mind with goals.
Practice methods.
Mindful goals, instead of purely material ambitions, align your goals with your innate conscience. Goals should resonate with your inner goodness, ensuring they are morally and spiritually enriching. Heart-centered visualization, visualize not just the achievement of the goal, but also the virtuous state of being. This links your vision with your heart's true intentions. Inner affirmations, reaffirm statements that focus on both success and moral alignment. I am growing in goodness and will attract what I need. Advanced techniques, reflection-based goal breakdown. Break down major goals while reflecting on their alignment. Constant self-reflection ensures that the steps remain consistent with both your desires and moral compass. Aligning with innate conscience, adjust your goals and actions as life changes. Maintaining alignment with your innate conscience, balance flexibility with inner moral consistency. 4. Action, manifesting knowledge through deeds.
Practice methods.
Integrating knowledge and action, recognize that action solidifies knowledge. Even small actions taken in alignment with your values reinforce true understanding. Daily progress, just as Wang Yangming taught, take small, virtuous steps each day. These actions not only bring you closer to your goals, but also refine your inner self. Habit cultivation, create daily habits that reflect your core values. For example, if kindness is central to your heart's desire, build a habit of daily acts of compassion. Overcoming resistance, positive reflection, instead of merely thinking positively, reflect deeply on each failure. Each failure is a valuable lesson and an opportunity to better align with your inner goodness. Seek moral support. Surround yourself with people who reflect your values. Their encouragement can help keep you grounded in your quest for inner and outer growth. 5. Inner peace and resilience, cultivating positive energy.
Practice methods.
Gratitude for moral growth, reflect not only on external successes, but on moments of moral alignment. Affirm your inner strength. Affirmations should focus on your innate goodness and capacity. I am capable because my heart is aligned with truth. Forgive and release. Forgive yourself for straying from your moral path to strengthen your commitment to growth. Transforming negative thoughts. Moral reassessment. When negative thoughts arise, ask, does this align with my deeper moral principles? Use this to shift your mindset from negativity to constructive thought. Language of virtue. Speak with words that reflect your moral vision and innate goodness. Reframe challenges as opportunities for spiritual growth and personal alignment. Wang Yangming's heart philosophy and the concept of manifestation, though originating from different cultural backgrounds, share a striking similarity in their core ideas. Both emphasize the power of thought, the importance of action, and personal growth. By combining Wang Yangming's wisdom with the principles of manifestation, we can gain a better understanding of ourselves and achieve our goals.
The wisdom of Wang Yangming transcends time and continues to offer us valuable insights. When we learn to engage in self-dialogue, understand our inner selves, and transform thoughts into actions, we can create the life we desire. Heart philosophy is not just philosophy but a guide we can all use to improve ourselves and realize our dreams. Let's start with small steps, calm our minds, and harness our inner strength. Share your insights in the comments and let's grow together.
Unleash your inner potential with the timeless wisdom of Wang Yangming. Subscribe to explore more Eastern philosophy and its modern applications.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to continue your journey of self-improvement with us. Until next time, take care. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are interested in unlocking their manifestation abilities. Stay positive, keep believing, and manifest your dreams into reality. Until next time, take care.